What if I told you there's a way to start an online store, sell products, and make a profit, all without ever touching a single piece of inventory? You wouldn't need a warehouse, you wouldn't need to pack boxes, and you wouldn't even have to handle shipping. It sounds impossible, right? But it's not. It's called dropshipping, and today we're going to dive into one of the most powerful tools in the game, Spocket. For those of you who are new to this, dropshipping is a business model where you, the retailer, sell products to customers. But instead of storing and shipping the products yourself, you partner with a third-party supplier who does all the heavy lifting. Spocket is an app that connects you to these suppliers, primarily from the US and Europe. And this is a huge deal. Why? Because it solves one of the biggest problems with traditional dropshipping: long shipping times. We're talking fast delivery, happy customers, and higher profits. So, how exactly can you make money on Spocket? It all comes down to a few key steps. First, you need an e-commerce store. Spocket seamlessly integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and more. Once you're set up, it's time to find your winning products. This is where Spocket really shines. Their marketplace is filled with a vast catalog of high-quality items, often with discounts of 30 to 60%. You can filter products by a variety of criteria, like shipping location, to ensure you're offering fast delivery to your target audience. You can even order samples to test the products yourself before you commit to selling them. Once you find a product you love, you add it to your store with just one click. You can then optimize the product listing with your own descriptions and photos to make it unique and appealing to your customers. Now, here's the fun part. When a customer buys a product from your store, the order is automatically sent to the Spocket supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. You don't have to do a thing. You just pay the wholesale price to the supplier, and you keep the difference as your profit. Spocket also helps you build your brand. They offer branded invoicing, which means you can include your store's logo and details on the invoices that go to your customers. This is a small but critical touch that makes your business look professional and trustworthy. To truly maximize your earnings on Spocket, you need to be strategic. The first step is to choose a profitable niche. Don't just sell random products. Focus on a specific category that has a proven demand and healthy profit margins. Do your research using tools like Google Trends and social media to see what's hot. Second, leverage Spocket's premium products. These are often best sellers with the highest discounts, giving you a bigger profit margin. While these are usually locked behind a higher tier plan, the extra profit can more than make up for the subscription cost. Third, focus on marketing. Use social media, run targeted ads, and create engaging content to drive traffic to your store. The best products in the world won't sell themselves. One important thing to remember is that while Spocket makes dropshipping easier, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, research, and a commitment to building a real business. You'll need to stay on top of customer service, analyze your store's performance, and continuously optimize your product offerings and marketing strategies. The good news is, Spocket handles the most time-consuming and complicated parts of the business, leaving you free to focus on what really matters: growing your brand and making sales. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.